Hi, this is Rainah Escat and this is my quarter 3 SCI-BILIB experiment number 3, balloon water fountain. What makes the water come out from the bottle? Let's find out. Here are the materials: plastic bottle, straw, balloon, water, cutter, glue gun or candle, and bowl or container. Don't forget to wear your safety goggles. Procedure: using a cutter, make a hole on the plastic bottle. Put the straw on the hole. Seal it by using the glue gun or scotch tape. Fill the bottle with water. Inflate the balloon with enough air and put it on the mouth of the bottle. What is this? This is an experiment involving air pressure. The air inside the balloon is under pressure as it is squeezed by the rubber. When you place the inflated balloon on top of the bottle, the air pressure on top of the bottle becomes higher. That pushes down on the water in the bottle, pushing it through the straw and making the fountain stronger. Once again, this is Rainah Escat. Thank you for watching!